Hey, what's up, Gunpla fans? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Kotobukiya, which came from the anime series The Brave of Goldran, and this is none other than Kotobukiya's Sky Goldran. So Sky Goldran is a combination of Dran and Golgon with Sorakage that acts as his flight pack. So this is a super robot model or super robot genre model kit, which is a nice kit that I found in Sam's Model Kits here in Shopee, Philippines. So this is a brand new box. As you can see, there's this plastic film wrapping the box, and I just bought this from an affordable price of 3,200 pesos. To be honest, I think I made a discount. So I really appreciate Sam's Model Kits because all of his items are well packed, and if you are lucky to have a sale, it's affordable. And most of his kits are not just Gundams but also Modoroid and Kotobukiya. And as you can see, experienced sunburn after my 1 week vacation from the province. That's why you can see my face became dark. Anyway, let's check this out and build this Sky Goldran from Kotobukiya, the anime The Brave of Goldran series. The box art here shows the Sky Goldran flying, and there's this explosion behind him, and he's wielding his katana. So I find this kit nice because of the yellow color, which is not a usual color of kits I buy or bought, and it will break the monotonous color of most kits I have, like the blue, red, white, and yellow colored mobile suits such as Gundams, because most of my kits are white, red, or black, something like that. So yellow will break most of them, the color combination. So it will be a nice shelf appearance if you're collecting model kits or mobile suit Gundam collections, something like that. So this is very nice kit to collect from the Brave series because it has a unique color combination, which is yellow and black, and it has a decent look. To be honest, I really like the silhouette of this kit. So if we look at the side of the box, we can see the front view and the back view. So the wings here, this is the negative side. Here is the wings because it doesn't have based on the other reviews I watched, it doesn't have articulation. So it's like a slab of plastic like this. So it's not that expressive, but for me, what I like is the color. Even though I don't like the wings, the color had the plus points for me. So there we can see Goldran wielding the katana, and there's this slashing pose here, and some resheathing of the katana here. So on the other side of the box, we can see some bonus parts, it says. There's this variation. Instead of using the red crest, we can use the yellow here, and there will be a transformation to its face. I don't know what's that actually. And we can use the frame girl also if you want to buy frame girls, you can swap some parts from the Goldran to install to your frame girl. And there we can see the actual appearance of the kit straight build. So if we open the box here, so other side same as the front box cover. Okay, so if we open the box here, we can see Tran. So we can see the Goldran manual. So we have here same as the box art cover, and there we can see some list here for the parts list. There, the runner list, and I think this parts here are the pre-painted, or I don't know if maybe these are the non-usable parts because I cannot read Japanese here. Okay, let's discover while building. So as usual, Kotobukiya is printing black and white manual here, and center of the box we can see center of the manual we can see the colored pictures of Sky Goldran. Forgive my voice because I'm really tired. I just came from vacation, but I like to build a kit to make me feel more relaxed even though I'm tired. Gunpla building is my hobby to keep me more relaxed. So just bear with my voice while doing this review. So there we can see some action poses here, and this face swapping here, so it looks like Mokujin from Tekken. Then there, judging by how the kit looks from the manual, it doesn't feel complicated, and I think this will be an easy kit to build. And there we can use frame arms girl or frame girl, and we can swap some of the parts from Goldran to attach to frame girl. Okay, and let's go to the packages. So we have here obviously most yellow colored runners because the name itself Goldran, and to be honest, Goldran doesn't mean the color of the kit because it's the combination of Golgon and Dren Brave Robot. So combine the names, it says Goldran. So here we have here chunky yellow runners for the legs. We have runners here for the sword sheath and the katana blade. We have here yellow parts for the armor pieces, black parts for the hands if you want to use black colored manipulators or hands. But we have an option if we want to use this yellow hands here. So of course I won't be using black hands here. I will use these yellow colored hand parts here because it looks more decent and more cute. So I will not use these black parts here. So these are yep, we have here black hands and yellow hands. So they are packed together. So what's this? So these are extra parts. Okay, I think these are extra parts. Too much extra parts for this one. To be honest, I am very annoyed with extra parts. So we have here wing parts, yellow wing parts. We have here small red runners for, I think this one for the missile pack at the back. And some yellow parts here, polycaps, yellow color. We have here, what's that? We have here yellow colored runners again, mostly yellow colored. Yellow colored, yellow colored. And finally, yellow colored runners, mostly yellow colored. And we have here clear red parts for the crest, and I don't know what's this for. Maybe this is for the eyes, I think. And we have here pre-painted parts for the face. So the face here of Sky Goldran is already painted. The eyes is already painted. And I don't know what's this part here. I think this is for the chin piece. So this is very nice. So as always, we'll have a runner review for this kit before we build it. So obviously most of or majority of the parts are yellow. So we'll just dictate the runners instead of explaining it too much. So we have the runner E for the wing parts. Also runner E. So we have two sets of runner E. Runner G and another runner G for the leg parts, and we have two sets of runner H also, yellow colored. We have polycaps, two sets of PC1 and another PC1 here, so polycaps 1 and PC2 for this small runner here, so these are polycaps. We have red runner, small runner, which is runner N for, I think this is for the sword and the missile parts. We have runner S for the red, clear red colored runner here. We have runner R and runner I for the armor pieces. We have two sets of runner M. We have runner Q and runner A. We have runner P and another runner P. So we have two sets of runner P. We have here runner C and runner D for armor pieces, shoulder pieces. And we have here two small runners here for, I think this is for the face, so this is runner B, and we have runner F here. Then we have here again the color pre-painted or pre-colored facial parts here. So this is the face and this is for the chin. Then we have here a gray katana and black sheet for the katana. Then I didn't open yet this manipulator sets because if I open this, I'll be confused. I'll get more confused. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and we'll start building this Sky Goldran and wait for the review of this in the future. Again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and happy building, guys. Take care.